Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all, my dear friends, wherever you're watching from all over the world. You're welcome to another episode of our weekly Yoruba classes. I am Fatai Oyeyemi, your virtual Yoruba teacher.
Yeah, all my people all over the world. This is for you, you know what I'm saying? Let's check it out.
Olùkọ́, olùkọ́, akẹ́kọ̀ọ́, akẹ́kọ̀ọ́, alágbẹ̀dẹ, alágbẹ̀dẹ, onídìrí, onídìrí, alápatà, alápatà. For the Yoruba people, akọ̀wé is anybody that works in an office whether they see you wearing any corporate dress, be it shirt and trouser or you are on suit. As long as you work in an office, Yoruba people call you akọ̀wé, akọ̀wé. Amójú ẹ̀rọ, amójú ẹ̀rọ, apò ògùn, apò ògùn. So a pharmacist is called apò ògùn. Now there is difference between this and a medical doctor, which is called oníṣègùn òyìnbó, oníṣègùn òyìnbó, oníjó, oníjó, olórin or akọrin, olórin, or you can call it akọrin, onílù, onílù, àgbẹ̀, àgbẹ̀, ọlọ́gbà, ọlọ́gbà, agbẹjọ́rò, agbẹjọ́rò, adájọ́, adájọ́, ọlọ́pàá, ọlọ́pàá, ọdẹ, ọdẹ, jagunjagun, jagunjagun. You can as well call them ológun, ológun, ayàwòrán, ayàwòrán, awakọ̀, awakọ̀. With this, my dear friends, we've come to the end of today's class, and I do hope you learned something new today. Then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified of our weekly Yoruba classes as we upload them. Like this video, share it with your friends, and comment. Till I see you in the next class. God bless Nigeria. God bless Fatai Oyeyemi. God bless you all, my dear friends, wherever you're watching from. See you in the next class. Bye.